Alright, so in this video I'll show you a particular features of Vim, so which is, if you know it very well, if you don't know it, you come to know about it and you probably use it for your betterment. Okay, so I'm going to show you something or a particular setting in Vim which will expose or print the unprintable character like tab, end of line, and all this stuff. Those of you know, you might be smiling and say, oh, it's ListChars, or yes, it is. Okay, so those who don't know, they will probably stick around and look forward for the demonstration, which will be very small. Okay, to give you a demonstration, let me spawn up a terminal, moving to a designated place. Let us zoom in so people can see. Okay, so all I have to do, open Vim and open a empty buffer, and I'm picking out something from the what happened? Okay. All right, so hang on, so I made a mistake. Just a moment. Okay, and I'm just trying to, okay, so here it is. I just paste some rudimentary text on an empty buffer. Okay, and I have a setting in my Vimmercy which will show you the unprintable character or non-printable characters. Okay, so like tab, end of line, okay, indents and all this stuff. So as you can see, this is a normal text document which I have pasted from my system cache. So here I have a keybind. If I press F4, because I have bounded it with it, okay, and it will show you that. See, you can see the visual representation of end of line, and these icons can be set also. Okay, these icon can be set also for end of line, for tab, for new line, and all this stuff. The icon can be specifically set. Okay, and this is basically, as you can see, look at the bottom of the screen. It calls up a particular setting which is set, list, and bang. That bang denotes a toggling function. Okay, so if you do not have a keybind, you simply go to the ex prompt and type set list. It will show you the non-printable character like this. Okay, so this is very handy. Sometime some people they kept it by default. I don't do that. That's why I make it a toggling one or have a keybind for that. When I need it, I just turn it on. When I don't need it, I just turn it off. As simple as that. See, I just press F4. F4 is a toggling set list to me. It could be different to you. Okay, so how the setting in Vimmercy look like? Let me show you. Let me open up a terminal. Control WW. I'm in a different, so you can see grep set list, and if where is Vimmercy, you can see I have a configuration inside my Vimmercy which is start with set list char. Okay, and it says it, you see the trail is defined by a dot, right? Preset is defined by a alpha, extend is defined by a double arrow. Okay, EOL defined by a enter key, tab is defined by a solid arrow. Okay, and non-space is defined by a caret. So these symbols can be changed and customized as per your liking. Okay, I happen to have one day just did it like that and I left it. This is good enough for me, so I don't want to delve too much into that kind of fancy stuff. If you want, you can change it, what I'm trying to say. Okay, now as in the second line, you can see in a normal mode I just press, as you saw, F4 to bring out. So let me go to if I press F4, sorry, if I press F4, see, it brings back the character, end of line character. Okay, F4, it will gone. So that is the purpose of the second line. So this is pretty trivial but very important, especially if you write source code inside Vim, or if you do not write source code or write anything else inside Vim. You sometimes need to know what things are. Okay, like these are the non-printable character, right? So it might help you to align your text or do something with your text in a proper manner. If you get it basically give you some sort of visual clue, which sometimes requires to do a better job, and Vim is good at it. So that's why this thing exists. Let me cancel out this terminal, and if I do, and if I say list, see, it put me here, and I think I got to a wrong place. Let me try one more time. ListChars. Here is this stuff. So you can see on the Vim man page or help page, it clearly stated that it's a comma separated list, as you saw in my Vim configuration. Okay, so this is very handy and small stuff, but it is helping me along. So that's why I'm making this video. Those of you don't know, they might try to use this for betterment. Okay, so I hope it will help some people. Thanks for watching.